after you've registered on this website, you'll be able to make at least 100 cedis daily if all the methods I teach you are going to be implemented successfully. Okay, so the link to this will be in the description below. Yeah, so what you want to do is after you've logged in, you go to my my, you can see my. As you can see, I have 18 cedis already. I just started this account like 5 hours ago and I'm already on 18 cedis. So if you want to make at least 100 cedis a day with this, it is possible, just that it needs time and effort. So what you want to do is, the name of the website is called windfarm/vip.com. So after you've logged in, created an account, it will take you to the home tab. Okay, so this is where you see where you can invest into solar panels and stuff, and windmills. As you can see, the first one is 100 cedis and gets a daily income of 12 cedis 48 pesos for 180 pesos 180 days. The second one is the windmill and the large solar panels, which is 300 cedis, and your daily income is 37 cedis 44 pesos, and etc. So we're not going to be using this because I don't know about this if it's legit yet, but what I'm going to tell you to do is legitimate. So what you want to do is what you want to do is click on the invite button. Okay, so as you can see, invitation bonus, invitation word rules, invite a user to see valid for first 23 years. So as people invest to get more money, so that's how it is. So you click on copy. After the link is copied, you can send it to anyone on WhatsApp, and when they register, the registration is free, so they don't actually pay money, but they will register. So after they've registered, then you receive their money in your account, and they will also have their bonus. So register on my link to get the 10 Ghana cedis bonus. Okay, so as you can see, it has been registered. So that's how it is. So you can just do that multiple times and you get your money, and you don't even need to pay for their VIP membership thing. As you can see right now, 20 cedis already, and I just registered by myself. I didn't even send the link to anyone. I just copied the link, registered by my own self with my other number, and they didn't even check to verify. Isn't it great? So I hope you guys can utilize this opportunity to earn. Don't go and invest into this solar panel things. Unfortunately, they are scam. It's a scam. So don't invest into it. So just refer your own self, use different numbers and call it to this one. So actually, okay, so okay, so let me try it again. Let me see if I can register again with a different number, because these people don't seem to verify. You can make money out of this. You can make money. Okay, simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Register. Okay, wrong number. A different one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you can see, I use a number I have no idea of, and I logged in successfully. Oh, wow. So right now I'm having about, let me check how much I'm having right now. 22 CDs. Yeah, so this is basically how you use it for your advantage. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.